Alright, it is time for another build challenge. This time we have Kylo Ren's Shuttle, number 75256. And we both got damaged boxes from the Lego store. Mine is a little more damaged than his. And mine cost $1 more. It's kind of strange. The same Lego store, same damage policies, $1 difference. But oh well. Still, $130 set for a little bit less. Just because the box is damaged, we don't care about the box. We care about what's inside. Yes. So, we're going to have a race. We're going to see who can build it the fastest. And I think we're just going to do start and you finish when you finish. Yeah. And we each have our own timers. I am blue. He is black. Somebody needs to get up and take a break. Then they will pause their timer and start it again when they return. And we'll see who has the least amount of time on the clock when we get done. I did look at some reviews on the Lego website to get an idea of how long this might take. The times ranged from 1 hour and 20 minutes to 6 days. I don't know how it would take.
I don't see an hour. I see maybe 4.
You think 4? I'm going to go for 2.5.
Okay.
I'm going to say 2.5 hours is how long it's going to take. Maybe 3. It's 1,000 pieces. It's not that big.
Yeah, it's a short one, but it's a lot of black pieces.
It is a lot of black pieces, and I'm really hoping the manual is not black paper. But yeah, I'm going to say it's going to take us 2.5 hours, maybe 3. Because it's, I mean, when you look at what it is, it's not all that big.
No.
Alright, so let's go ahead and pop the tabs, probably on the side that's damaged. We'll start the time. Well, after we've both popped our tabs. Alright, get rid of the knife. What are you doing? Did it say go?
No? Okay.
Did it say go yet?
Go.
Alright, ready, set, go! And we have, how many numbered bags do we have? We have a manual. Looks like white paper. We have bag 5. We have bag 4. 6. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put 6. 5. Oh, 2. Bag 1.
4.
I'm so messed up I can't get the top back open to put the parts back in it. 4. We got some red pieces and lots of black. Oh, 7. We got up to bag 7 here. So we have 1. We have 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put down here on the floor.
2, 4, 5.
You're covering your timer. You can put those down there. Do we get a brick separator? No, we didn't. Wow. No brick separator.
That's okay.
It is. We got a whole bunch of big pieces. So I guess you might need to get one from the other room.
I'll get it if I need it.
I see a minifigure head already.
It's right here.
Yep. And
there's a little pistol in there too.
Is there? Okay. Hey, no stickers.
No.
At least not yet. Alright. Manual.
There's a little
No.
head.
Wait a minute. Somehow I skipped to step 4. This is going well already.
Okay, so this helmet's got to be here somewhere.
I ain't worried about the minifigure. I will assemble Sir Minifigure later. wrapping up bag 1 here. And I see I have an extra piece. Probably should go somewhere. Didn't put the minifigures together at first. Had to go back and do that. Oh, wait. There it is. Alright, bag 1 is done. Maybe leave that guy's pistol out. Alright, so we have our missile launchers and the mechanism to fire the missiles. We have a little trap door that comes out of the cockpit. We have things over here that look like they should move, but they're not able to move by the way it's built. Kind of strange. But see what happens in bag 2. That's bag 4. There we go, bag 2. Sorry, knocking people out of the way here. Appears I have a slight lead over Rodriquez. Not very much. He used to have extra pieces that he should not have. Ooh, lots of red pieces. Lots of red light. You know, translucent stuffs. And some more Technic. Like Technic pieces. Ooh, we have a shock. Boing, boing, boing. Oh yeah, where are we at on time? Bag 1 took 25 minutes. Well, a little less than that, because I just looked at it. Pieces are flying on the other side of the table.
Yep.
Was that an unexpected deconstruction?
Yep.
Wah, wah. With more to come. If he continues his standard patterns. I have only flung one part off the table so far, and I didn't pick it up because I knew I had an extra. It's over there somewhere. Alright, so that is wrapping up bag 2, I believe. Yes, it is. And this does go in here, as I thought it might. Yeah, even. Alright, so now we have a mechanism here. For the wings, we have that. We have put the minifigures inside, and I'm assuming that these clips are for weapons storage, so I went ahead and stuck their things in there, and if I put something else there later, then I'll take them off. Number 3. I just made the whole table go boom. Oh, spare pieces. Seems I have the normal spare parts. Didn't forget anything this time. I have an extra cape. Do 2 minifigures have capes? Yes. 2 minifigures have capes. So that one's just for later. This is a short set, unless there's supposed to be 2 back 3s. Time, we are at 44 minutes. Alright, so we can set this aside because we're building something else, and we have some other dude in here with a really interesting helmet. Kind of looks like a predator. Oh, there's several people in here. Just set their bodies over there and deal with them later. Alright, putting last pieces on for bag 3. Rodriquez has just somewhat started bag 3. He's put his minifigs together. Interesting. So we have the body of the ship. We have 4 minifigures. This dude has a battle axe. That's kind of cool. And we have these things on the back, and this one actually operates something. And we have a trailer hitch. Don't know why. Spaceship has a trailer hitch. Maybe it does something later. We will find. Currently at 56 minutes. About 1 hour into the build. Big pieces in here. We will throw you off to the side. Right, attaching wing number 2. It fell over. You know what? It might be easier to put it in like this. Okay, that's fine. And now, where does this get attached? They need a wedge. Where are you going? Heads are gonna roll! Like they already are. Alright, last pieces on bag 5. Bag 5 is now complete. So we have a ship, 2 wings. They do this sort of thing. This is going to do something at some point. I thought it was all going to be connected together, but I guess you have to manually open and close these. Because I don't see any way the mechanism attaches to that yet. But we will see. On to bag 6, where we will find out. Actually, looks like bag 6 just builds the top of the ship. 6. Or is it 9? Or is it 6? Woo, lots of little bits. Got some greebling going on. Alright, and that is a truck brush guard. Or like an ATV brush guard.
No idea.
Keep forgetting to do a time check. Hour and 45 minutes. Okay, so my goal was 2.5 hours. And I got like a bag and 7/8 left. I might make my goal. So, Rodriquez is having to make some sort of repair, and he's requested a pair of pliers.
Yes.
To make this repair. He needs pliers to fix his Lego set that is apparently lost. Losing a lot of pieces. Okay, well. Hey, we got to the third where that brush guard goes. Get it?
Yep. Well, I got it out, now I just gotta pull it the rest of the way out.
Did I have these left over? Have I not put these on yet? Did these go some? Uh-oh, I missed these. Crap, where do they go? They're right there. Oh, after you put that on, you put them on. Alright, and this wraps up bag 6. On to the final bag 7. We are at 2 hours and 1 minute. So I have 29 minutes to reach my goal. Alright, let me get all the big stuff out of the way. The flashlight has come out. Did not catch it all. Completely missed. Yep. All right, and we're putting in missiles, wherever the heck they go. Missile 1. Missile 2. Oops. Almost stay it. Oh, do I have a dead missile? I have a missile launcher that doesn't want to. There. I guess this is just a bad missile. Anyway, I just took out assembly square. That one doesn't want to keep its missile. Alright, stopping the time.
See your
I am done.
separator over
You
there.
need the brick separator. Alright, so there it is. It does this number and this number. Like that. Beep. And
It's like you missed everything there.
land, and then you do this and this, and yeah, that's neat. Cool. All right, what was my time? That is the good question. 2 hours 20 minutes.
So
I 10 minutes under my goal time. We will continue until
yeah.
Rodriquez completes the task of building. All right, he has completed his model.
Yes.
His time is 3 hours and 7 minutes. And I was at 2 hours 20 minutes.
Yes.
So,
As usual, is about 15-20 minutes of let's get that one little peg out.
yes, and it's the first time I've ever seen regular hand tools used on a Lego set. They had to be used more than once.
More than once. There were four peg. So what's the deal with the bottom things here? They just stick out like that?
You don't know what that is? You don't know what those are for?
Not exactly. Ah. Okay. Makes sense now.
That is your missile launcher.
I didn't realize that with those.
That's what the yeah, so the missile launchers have these little buttons here that push this curved edge into the end of the missile, causing it to launch. Kind of neat.
Yeah.
I like when they make a mechanism to fire it rather than just having it sticking out of the back like the X-Wings do up there. So what do you think? I like the folding wings.
The wings are cool.
I like
Just gotta remember to
Yeah.
unlatch them first.
Yes. He sent his latch across the room trying to fold his wings.
Way across the room. Yes, that is neat.
It's very cool.
So, I also like the fact that it's solid.
It is pretty solid. You can get
I mean, compared to some of the
3
builds.
minifigs in there. I wonder if the little clips on the side are for your extra missiles. I put
Which
weapons.
clips? Oh, the ones.
Oh yeah, you know what? I could put the Kylo Ren saber on one side and the extra missile on the other. Doesn't really say what to put in those.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's. Actually, I don't know if it's.
And
I don't, let me see.
does
what-
yours?
His saber does fit in there. It's mine. What?
If it's angled like this and you Extend it. Does it do that?
Let's find out.
Like a busted joint?
And go like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yours does it too. So
It's just so much weight.
It's not made to be flopped out.
No.
When it's flopped over.
There's just so much weight bearing on it. So, well, if you give it a little bit of speed, it'll pop open.
Yep.
So, but yeah, if you just try to.
How many times can we do this before it breaks? Uh-oh, things are happening. Uh-oh. There it went.
Let's see why.
All right, I gotta get the other side now. We're going down.
Now it's like a messed up, now it looks like a messed up bat.
Well, did a stress test on the wings. Found the point of failure. Yeah. Should we keep going? I mean, it's already falling apart. The wings are almost going the wrong direction now. Well, it's a bird now. It's actually kind of flapping its wings like a bird. More pieces.
And the sad thing is they're it's not meant to move like that.
I know, but it is. So, stress test on the Kylo Ren wings. Alright, collect all my pieces, put them back together later. Impromptu stress test on the... Alright, well that's going to be it for the Kylo Ren Shuttle Build Challenge. Get about a 50-minute lead over him this time, or how much was it? 40?
40.
Yeah.
45.
45 minutes. But yeah, that's going to be it, and thanks for watching.